Hello there, welcome to the next Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to the next Classic Stitches channel. Thank you to all my subscribers, returnee. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Welcome to the next again. Today again, the shirt is done. The children's first shirt is done. I'm going to take it off the mannequin and walk you through it. Okay, but before I do that, I was looking at this pant and it's more intermediate than beginners. So I'm changing things around again, and we'll come back to this again. And I also don't want to mix up the men's outfit with the children, so I'll concentrate on the children for a bit, then we'll come back to the men's outfit. But as I said again, this pant for the children is more intermediate than beginners, so I'll hold off for now. Okay, and I'm changing it to this because I want to also reach their beginners who doesn't know how to sew for children. So I want to start from the basics before I build it up. This is just the pant and elastic all around, okay, in the waistband. This one, it has a pocket, it has a loop, it has a zipper fly zipper, and it has elastic at the back. Okay, so intermediate. So we'll hold off on this for now, and I'm going to walk you through this. Okay, and it's McCall's 31.93. McCall's 31.93. Okay, there we go. They even have a cap. I don't know if I'm going to walk you through the cap. We're going to do the pants because we've done the shirt. Okay, from this pattern. Let me take it off and then I'll walk you through it. So hold on. Hello there. I'm back. Sometimes it doesn't pay to prepare so much before shooting the video. Okay? I find myself anytime I prepare too much, I fumble a lot. So anyway, the color is done. It's the same way like we did the ladies' nightgown. That type of putting the color on. Okay? And then I sewn the buttonholes and I put on the buttons. Okay? So it's all done. It's all done. So cute. I really like it, but I don't have any young grandchildren to give it to. All my grandchildren are big. Okay, so it's all done. And as I said, I'm going to walk you through the basic children's pant next week. Okay, so I haven't been getting any feedback or questions in my comment section. So I would love to see it, and I would love to read your comments and read your questions, especially ask questions. Okay, or ask questions so I can walk you through step by step. But today is very short and sweet again. And then God willing, next week I'll cut this up because, as I said, straightforward. I'll cut it all up and then I'll start sewing next week with you guys. Okay, and I think this is it. And this is it. And a time will come we'll even do boys vest and a bow tie and so on and so forth. Okay, but not yet. Just showing it to you, but not yet. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye for now. As I said, short and sweet. Okay, bye bye. See you. Thanks.